Welcome to our channel. Today I will explain class 7th chapter 1 integers. Integers are a big connection of whole numbers and negative numbers. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on numbers. Whole numbers start from 0. Without 0, remaining numbers are positive numbers or counting numbers or natural numbers. So without 0, positive numbers. With 0, whole numbers. So again negative numbers are considered with minus symbol. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on numbers. And let us construct the positive numbers and negative numbers on the number line. This is the number line. Middle is the 0. 0 should be always middle only. Then positive numbers are right side of the 0 on the number line. Negative numbers are considered on left side of the number line of the 0. Okay, this is the number line. These numbers are integers numbers. Left side negative numbers, right side positive numbers. Let us write the ascending order. Ascending order, you know that ascending order, write the small from the small to biggest number. What are the small numbers? Negative numbers are always small numbers. So here minus 5 is the very smallest number. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Next we will write 0. Then after positive numbers. Positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on numbers. Next descending order. You know the descending order. We write the descending order from biggest number to smallest number. Then biggest numbers are always positive numbers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So these are ascending, descending order. Integers are only positive and negative numbers and whole numbers. But plus 200, this is the integer. The last 200 before the symbol indicate plus. So this is the plus number, positive number. So this is integer. Here minus 453. Here the starting number the considered minus symbol. So this is also integer. Why? Because there is negative number, negative symbol. So this is the negative number. And under root 20. This is not integer. So under root numbers are not integers. And 4 by 8 integer or not? Is this integer or not? Not integer. Why? Because fraction numbers not integers. Integers means only negative numbers and whole numbers. But this is a fraction number. This is not integer. And 2.35. This is also not integer. So root numbers, fraction numbers and decimals are not integers. Integers means only negative numbers and whole numbers. Thank you to everyone. Like and share. Thank you. Thank you very much.